Welcome to the Fam Show. My name is Chef Lando, owner of Enclave. This Fam episode, we're going to highlight a very special nutrient-dense ingredient that has been used in traditional medicine for millennia. It's especially great for new mothers to help increase lactation and for diabetics to help lower blood sugar levels. And that ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek, also known as methi, is very commonly used in Indian cuisine. It's what gives the curries, dal, and paratha its nice maple syrup flavor. Fenugreek is an annual plant in the Fabaceae family, more commonly known as the pea family. The leaves consist of 3 small leaflets with clover-like features and tiny flowers that resemble the pea. The aromatic, yellowish, brown seeds develop in the curved yellow pods. Both the seeds and the leaves are edible. Fenugreek has been around for millennia, and most Westerners have never even heard of it. Archaeological remains for desiccated fenugreek seeds discovered in the Middle East have been carbon dated back 6,000 years. In ancient Egypt, fenugreek was used as medicine to help reduce fevers, improve digestion, and even as an incense for religious ceremonies. It's also a great cover crop for farmers to help fix nitrogen in the soil, which is a critical nutrient for plant growth. But the most commonly used method for fenugreek is in Indian cuisine, which has been used for over 4,000 years. Fenugreek seeds may be helpful for people with diabetes. The seeds contain the fiber and other chemicals that may help slow digestion and the body's absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. A study was done on 60 patients in which one group received 10 grams of fenugreek seeds in hot water, while the other did not. Statistical analysis showed that there was a significant reduction in fasting blood glucose levels in the 5th month in the study group. Now, for new mothers, fenugreek is commonly used as an herbal galactagogue. Galacta is the Greek word for milk, and gog meaning liter, in which the entire meaning of galactagogue is a substance that increases milk supply. Many studies show for new mothers that drank fenugreek herbal tea produced far more breast milk than mothers that did not consume it. The only side effects may be the aroma of maple syrup coming out of the armpits. Ooh, yum.